opportunity to talk about the chapter that made me who I am. Now I am telling a story that happened in my life. One day, I am young, I was very lazy in studies. I don't like to study. My mother always said, go and study, but I don't do. One day, me and my mother walking through the footpath, we see two kids sitting in the footpath with no dress, no food, they are very hungry. I asked to my mom, why was they very hungry? What the reason? My mother said that kid was poverty. They have no good dress, education, and food. When I think I'm so lucky to have, because I have education, have a good dress, foods, and so many other things. And the second one is confident. I don't have confidence in my old ages. While I don't like to speak in a stage, I will be scared. I don't have any confidence. When my mother said, you said while speaking in a stage, you can. There will be, you get a confidence and you will speak good. No one is motivating in our life. We want to motivate ourselves. We want to set in our mind, you can do it, you can. You are the best one in the world. And I'm finishing my speech. Thank you, have a nice day.
Modern English School.